Hello, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. I'm Sandhya Patel, your class 5th mathematics teacher from St. Mary High School. So, in our previous class, we have completed till page number 41. We have find the area of the triangle that was given in the big rectangle, right? So, let's see ahead what is given in a textbook. Complete the shape. Now in this portion, what you have to do, you have to complete the given shape. Okay, so let's read what is given ahead. Suruchi drew two sides of a shape. She asked Asif to complete the shape with two more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeter. So what Suruchi is doing? She is drawing two sides of a shape. You can observe in this picture, right? Suruchi has drawn this shape. You can say that she has drawn two sides of a shape. Now she asked Asif to complete the shape with two more sides, and it should be such that the area should be 10 square centimeter. So let's see what Asif has done. So he has drawn this shape. He completed the shape like this. So Asif has completed the shape like this. Now the Suraj is thinking, how did you do this? So Asif is saying, oh, that's easy. If you look at the green area, it is 4 square centimeter. Below it is the yellow area of 6 square centimeter. So the area of my shape is 10 square centimeter. So Asif is explaining to Sirichi that how he has drawn the shape. He has drawn the shape in such a way that this green area is having 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is having 6 square centimeter. So when we add the both the area, it will be 10 square centimeter. Now let's read the question. Is he correct? Discuss. Now we have to discuss that whether the Asif is correct or not. So you will write in this question, yes, he is correct. So let's discuss how he is correct. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. Now we need to explain that how the area of the green area is 4 square centimeter and yellow area is 6 square centimeter. So let's see. Let's count. Let's first see the green area. Let's count the complete square and the half square. So in the green area you can find 1 and 2. 2 complete square, right? And let's count the half fill square. So they are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total 4 half square. So how we will do the calculation? Let's see. See, green area contains, we have count 2 complete square and 4 half square. So what you will write? You will write 2 plus into bracket 1 by 2 into 4. Why 1 by 2 into 4? Because we know that 4 are half square, right? Therefore 1 by 2 into 4. When I divide 4 with 2, 2 will be the answer, right? So what will remain? 2. So 2 plus 2 will be 4. So the area of the green is 4 square centimeter or 4 centimeter square. Now let's check for yellow area. Let's count the complete square. 1, 2, 3. So total 3 complete square are there. Now let's count more than half filled square. So 1 and 2. 2 are more than half filled. 1 and 2. 2 are more than half filled square. Now let's count half filled square. There is 1 and 2. So 2 half filled square are there. Now let's add all this. So yellow area contains 3 complete square. We have count 2 more than half. Yes, we have count 2 half filled square, right? This much we have count. So how you will write? 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2. Then 2 get cancelled, 1 will remain. Therefore 3 plus 2 plus 1 will be 6 centimeter. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 will be 6 centimeter square. So the yellow area of the yellow color is 6 centimeter square. So if we now add the area of both the color, that is green and yellow color area, it will be 10, because the area of green color is 4 square centimeter and area of the yellow color is 6 centimeter. If we add 4 plus 6, it will be 10 square centimeter. So Asif has drawn the correct shape. Now let's see ahead. You can pause the video here and write this solution in a notebook. Now let's read ahead what is given. Oh, I thought of doing it differently. If you draw like this, the area is still 10 square centimeter. Now Suruchi is saying that she had thought in a different way. She is thinking of drawing the shape in this way, and the area will still be 10 square centimeter. Now let's read the question. Is Suruchi correct? How much is the blue area? Explain. Now we have to find whether Suruchi is correct or not, and we have to find the area of blue, and then we will explain that is it 10 square centimeter or not. So let's count. Let's see whether Suruchi is correct or not. Yes, Suruchi is correct. How? So see, area of green triangle is equal to area of the half rectangle measuring 4 into 2. How half? See, this is a rectangle, right? So it is the half of the rectangle, right? So you will write half of the area of rectangle measuring half of the rectangle will be 4 into 1 by 2 into 2. So 2 get cancel. What will remain? 4. So the area of the green triangle is 4 square centimeter. Now let's check for blue one. So again it is again half of the triangle, right? It is again half of area of the rectangle. So it is measuring 4 into 3. It is half the rectangle and into 3. So 4 get cut and here 2 will come, right? So 2 into 1 into 3. 2 into 1 into 3. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So 6 centimeter square. So the area of the blue color area is 6 square centimeter or 6 centimeter square. Now if we add both the area, what will come? 6 plus 4 will be 10 square centimeter. So Suruchi is also correct. Can you think of some other ways of completing the shape? Now this thing you have to do as a homework. You have to think and you have to draw in such a way that the shape is been complete. Try some other way by yourself. So you will do as your homework. Now ask a friend at home to solve this. This thing you have to do as your homework. Now practice time. This is one of the side of a shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeter. Now this practice time question you have to do as a homework. Now let's read ahead. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. Now you carefully observe this. This is the rectangle of 20 square centimeter. Now what we have to do with this rectangle? Let's read. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal triangles. Now what you have to do? You have to draw a straight line in such a way that the triangle is been divided into 2 equal triangles, and then you have to find the area of each of the triangle. Now let's draw. By using scale, you have to draw a straight line in such a way that it will be half of the rectangle. I'm not able to draw a perfect straight line, but you have to draw a perfect straight line. Now we have to find the area of each of the triangle. Now what we have done, we have divided the rectangle into 2 equal parts. So obviously the area of each of the triangle will be half of the area of the rectangle. So how will we will find 1 by 2 into 20, because 20 is the area of the rectangle. So 20 would be cut out, so 10 will remain, so 10 square centimeter. So area of the each triangle is 10 square centimeter. Now let's see the next question. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangle? Now you have to draw a straight line in such a way that the rectangle has been divided into two equal area, and then after that you have to find the area of each of the smaller rectangle. So how will we draw? I'll draw in the equal, that is in the center, that is I will draw here a straight line. Now let's count how many squares are there in each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So on both the side there are 10 squares, right? So they are equal. Now how we have to find the area? We know the area of the bigger rectangle is 20. So the area of each of the smaller rectangle will be half of the area. So again we will divide. Again we will write in this way: 1 by 2 into 20. That is half the area of each smaller rectangle is equal to half into area of the bigger rectangle, that is 20. So 20 get cut by 2, 10 will remain. So each of the rectangle is of 10 square centimeter. So I hope this is clear to all. Now next question is, draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. Now you have to draw two straight lines in such a way that the shape or the rectangle is been divided into one rectangle and two equal triangles. In such a way you have to draw the straight line, two straight line. So this will be your homework. You have to do this as your homework, and then after you will draw the lines, then you will find the area of the rectangle as well as the area of the triangle. So this two question is also your homework. So for today this much only. In our next class we are going to see what is given ahead in a textbook. So thank you so much.